Justice. Somebody could be dealing with a Libra. But I'm just looking at that. I feel like somebody wants the truth. They're searching for the truth here. Tell me more. Oh my gosh, look at that. So somebody's definitely dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Somebody knows the truth. And I feel like direct communication is coming to you. Remember, guys, I told you in the beginning I saw heart-to-heart conversations. So I'm telling you, somebody wants to speak their truth to you. Yeah, and this is somebody I feel like that left you out in the cold. Tell me more. Back and forth. Ooh, see? Somebody was juggling. There were two people here. Y'all seeing two kings. It could have been two queens. Y'all know how I feel about my court cards. So this is letting me know that they were put into a situation where they had to, I feel like, choose between you and someone else, whether it's friends, family, career, love, you know, whatever. Somebody could be dealing with the Pisces. Ooh, why did I say Pisces? Y'all too early for this. Okay. Y'all know I was trying to say water sign, but Pisces came out. Somebody could definitely be dealing with a Pisces, but somebody could be dealing with a water sign. Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. This is too funny. Yeah, but this person messed up. Yeah, because they put you in some type of third-party situation, and now they're afraid that they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. Tell me more. Yep, see? They're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity. Yeah, this person messed up. And they know your guard is up, and they got to figure out what to do. They're trying to decide, you know, how to go about fixing this with you. Because, see, somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio, but the way that came out is like, this person is really scared that, I'm telling you, they're not going to have a new opportunity with you. Like, they feel like it's done. You know, it's over. But the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow, but at times, they're feeling like it's a wrap. But see, I told you, this person does not want you to walk away, Capricorn. Whoever this is, they don't want you to walk away from them. And they're having a hard time with this. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. You know, what's interesting here, what I'm picking up, Capricorn, maybe for some of you guys, you moved on, right? And you're dealing with somebody else. And maybe this person, they either know about it or they're, you know, picking up on it. And that's why they want to come back in, but they feel like it's too late because you moved on. And, you know, that could be them feeling like you're leaving them out in the cold, but it's their fault that you had to move on, you know? Because they weren't treating you right. They didn't do you right. Let's see. See, this person's in their head. They're back and forth with judgment here. So it's like 1 minute they make a decision, and it was on my honeymoon card to come towards you to speak their truth. But the next minute, they're like, I want to do it, but I just don't know how. You know, they don't know what to say to you. Yeah, they know they messed up. Look at that. Y'all see the King and the Queen of Pentacles? So, I'm telling y'all, you guys are just to the point where you're focusing on you, you're healing, you're moving forward. And that's why I said for some of you guys, you could have met somebody new. There could have been somebody else, you know, that came into the picture at this point, and that's why they're freaking out. Because this person looks at you as the person that they want to spend their life with. They see marriage, they see stability, they see partnership, they see all of this with you, you know, and they're having a hard time with this. Tell me more. Didn't I tell y'all? They see marriage, they see commit. I'm telling y'all, they see this with you. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus here. But, see, they're not talking to you. Somebody is not communicating. They're not speaking up. You know, look at that. They're isolating themselves. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo here. They're keeping quiet. But they're wanting to take a leap to fix the situation. Okay, hold on. So, I don't know who this is for. I just heard somebody's married. So, Capricorn, either you're married, you're married to this person, and you guys have been going through it, or, you know, you guys could have been dealing with someone that was married, you know, and y'all, you know, pump the brakes on that. You know, cross watchers could be for you, just take it however it fits, but I'm feeling like, yeah, whoever y'all were talking to or dealing with, this person messed up, because now they're trying to figure out what to do. They're getting advice, and that's why I see let your friends help you. They're trying to figure out how to fix this situation because, look, there's communication coming in. So I'm telling y'all, you guys are going to hear from someone really soon. The Two of Pentacles tried to come out. They're just trying to decide how to do it, when to do it, what exactly to say. And see, this is why they're dragging their feet. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. But whoever this is, I'm telling y'all, they stabbed y'all in the back multiple times. And they want to come back to heal things with you. They want to fix it. Look at that. But they feel like they're not going to be able to. They're not going to have a family situation or wish fulfillment with you. The fact that I'm even seeing 2 10s, I'm telling y'all, whatever karmic cycle that was going on is done. There is a new cycle that's getting ready to start. But so maybe somebody had to get out of a family situation. That could have been the issue. And you remember, I did see healing family issues at the bottom of the deck. So let's see. Tell me more. I'm just picking up a couple of different scenarios, guys. So just, take whatever fits for you. Because everything may not resonate because it's going in a couple of different directions here today. So let's see. All right, what else? What do we have? Yep, you guys are going to get an apology from this person. They're just not confident in giving it to you just yet. See? I told y'all before the Two of Pentacles was trying to come out. They're trying to decide, how to go about doing this, what to say, And this person, Pages where they're watching you. They're keeping a close eye on you, but not like a creepy way. They're just trying to see if it's safe, to come back in because they know that you guys were pissed with them. Y'all were hot, because they were playing games. So they've been watching you, keeping their eye on you because, look, they're feeling like you're not going to accept this offer that they're going to give to you, And I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated, but they're back and forth about the 7 of Cups. Yeah, they had other options in the past, and I feel like that's them also trying to make a decision. But at the same time, they really don't know how to fix it, and that's why they're getting help. They're getting advice from friends because, see, look, they're not being positive. They don't know if they can fix this guy. They don't know. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Ooh, that combination right there. I don't know why I just heard trickster. Like, some of y'all could have been playing. Some of y'all could have been dealing with someone who, like, basically played a lot of games with y'all. Tell me about the Emperor. Like, master manipulator type of energy. Tell me more. There's a lot of harsh communication between you and this person, but they want to come. Oh, this person's coming back fast. Y'all, I'm a little iffy. Hold on, let me see this. I'm telling you, this person's going to rush back in really quick, but I'm trying to figure out if they're still playing games with you or if they're really coming into this Emperor power here. So let's see, this energy. Okay. They're rushing back in. They want you to know that they removed themselves from some type of third-party situation. Yeah, because, see, I'm telling you, they want to heal things with you. Somebody could have taken a financial loss. If, by them leaving this third-party situation, I think this is why they were hesitating, because they knew that they were going to take some type of financial hit. But, see, now it's like they don't care. They're like, I have to hurry up and make a move, because if not, I'm going to lose Capricorn. Or Crosswatcher, if you're dealing with a Capricorn, this is what they're saying about you. So this person, they know they're going to have to move fast. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. Tell me about the Queen of Wands, please. Yeah, this person, I feel like this person looked at you guys like a blessing, They want you back in their life. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but honestly, they know that they caused an imbalance between the two of you, It wasn't right. It wasn't equal. And see, they're back and forth with the 5 of Wands. This person has a lot going on. I'm going to be honest with you, because I feel like this is them. They started a lot of, like, conflict and drama with you. But this is also them battling other people on their end. And, like I said, I did see family, so it could be a family situation. It's a lot of people. It's just I'm picking up on this drama. It's like y'all had to walk away. This was messy. See, I told y'all. I feel like it's family. Or if it's not family, it's just something that took place in the past. And this is why this person's afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. See? There's fear here. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. I'm telling y'all, this person doesn't know they want to come back and fix things with you. They're just not sure on how you're going to take it, because I do feel like they did keep things hidden from you. But they need to listen to their intuition to make a move. Look at that. Because I'm telling you, they want to give you an offer, okay? But they're just afraid that things may not improve between the two of you. But see, look. They're going to have the strength to come towards you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Leo. Yeah, y'all, this person was in and out of your life a lot. That wishy-washy type energy here, back and forth. And it's like they don't want to play games with you, but at the same time, they're still not opening up and speaking their truth. This person's still going through lessons, guys. This is why they're not moving forward with you just yet, see? Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius, but the way that came out, it's like, I'm telling you, they want to balance things out, but they're in their head. They're like, I don't know if I can make this right. You know, I don't know if this person's going to take me back. Y'all, they're still going through their lessons. I keep hearing lessons. So they're going through their lessons still. So it's still going to take some time for this person to come back. Yeah, they're having a hard time because they're afraid they're not going to have a victory. I'm telling y'all. This person played a lot of games with you. That's why I felt like I heard that trickster type energy. They played games, and it's just ridiculous. But see, they want to come back. They know they messed up. They want to come back and give you this offer of love. They want a commitment with you. See what I'm saying? They want stability with you, Capricorn. But there is still somebody in the background holding on for financial gain. See? This is why there was no balance here. Because this person definitely was given to someone else. And they're not happy about it. You know, they're back and forth. This person can't sleep. They're in their head. They're worried. And they're trying to come out of energy. But it's hard because they had you waiting. See what I'm saying? That's why I told y'all earlier you had to walk away from this person. They know they had you waiting, but they were waiting around because I feel like there was some fear surrounding their money, leaving whoever they were with. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But at this point, they're feeling like, okay, you shut down. You know what I'm saying? That's why they're like, I don't know what he or she is going to say to me because I've messed up so many times. You know, they know that you're hurting, but at the same time, they know you're tired of talking. You know, you're tired of speaking up. So somebody could be dealing with the Cancer, but I'm telling you, this person wants to move forward with you. For some of you guys, this person, if it's like a living situation, this person's going to have to move. Let me see. Yeah. It's home. I'm even seeing the number 4. So you see what I'm saying? So there could be some type of living situation, home, family situation, and this is why things weren't improving, but they're going to have to make a move because whatever situation that they're in, I feel like it is draining them. So, a decision will be made. They want to start over and build with you. But they know that they didn't balance things out, guys, because of a third-party situation. But I'm seeing that this person does want to celebrate with you. They want to ask you out. Yeah, you guys, you're going to get communication from this person. I do feel like they're coming back to ask you out, but they do want to move slow with you. You know, because I'm telling y'all that you already know they messed up. And if they come back today, you're not just going to be like, oh, hey, I miss you, let's move on. No. You're going to take your time because, see, things are not healed between the two of you. And they know it. Some of you guys could be dealing with an Aquarius. See, this person's going to have to put in the work to win you back. And they know it. They know it. Because, see, they're regretting everything that they put you through. I feel like this person definitely, they had a Tower moment on their end, but I'm picking up more so an Epiphany. They know. So it's like, I have to go back to Capricorn or cross watch. If you're dealing with Capricorn, they got to come back to you to make things right. They're going to have to put in the work. And that's why they're regretting because they know that they made the wrong decision. See? And that's why they're frustrated with themselves. You know, some of them could have felt stuck in some type of situation that they were in, but look, they're freeing themselves. They're releasing. They're walking away from it. Some Capricorn, you could be dealing with another Capricorn, but this could also be saying that they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them for good. But this is why I feel like this person isn't really talking so much as well. You know, they're in their head, but they're trying to walk away from some situation that they were in. They're clearing away obstacles. They're coming, guys. They definitely are. See, this person is listening to their intuition now. And they're realizing that they were being sneaky, but for some of them, they're trying to figure out how to sneak out of this situation. You know, but either which way, because they were being sneaky, they feel like you're going to cut them off for good. Some of you could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. This person definitely wants stability with you. They want to have a happy home with you, but they feel like it's not going to happen. See? They definitely feel like they're not going to have this new beginning with you. And they're back and forth because I'm telling you, they're going to give you an offer, but they're just unsure, Capricorn, if you're going to take it or not. So I'm seeing that they're coming out of their head. They're coming out of being frustrated about the situation, and you will get the offer that you deserve. This is the overflowing cup. But they just don't have a peace of mind. I'm telling you, this person does not know if you're going to take it or not. And that's the problem.